Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here today at Ubi's Vertex to check out Bava. Come, check it out with me. So in case you're wondering, Bava is actually a German sanitary brand that's actually founded by the company Roman Ditch that's been around since 1873. So Bava has actually been supplying sanitary wares to established condominium projects in Singapore like the Interlace. Now, as a designer, I've always liked to play with black colors in an interior space. There's this sense of mystery, there's this sense of this depth perception. But of course, we are very apprehensive of playing with black colors because they tend to scratch easily, fingerprints are always abound. In this case here, we have the Bava Black Color series for the shower area. Now, they have a saying, once you go black, you won't go back. And I can see the reason why, because this shower set is essentially coated with PVD coating. For those who are familiar with premium luxury divers watch, you will know that they are also coated in the same material. Now, divers go into deep sea and in a saltwater environment, it's actually very abrasive. So this PVD can take the abrasiveness from the saltwater. It can definitely take the abuse in your shower area. Now, other than the PVD coating being high resilience against scratches and abuse, it is also very good in combating fingerprints. As you can see, there are no fingerprints here. So this deals with using black color for your bathroom and also the fingerprints. So the showroom people actually passed me the shower head, right, to do an unboxing. So I'm going to share with you guys what's inside the content here. You have the manual, very nice packaging, and this is the shower head itself. Looks like twinkle twinkle little stars. What you will find at the Bava showroom, other than the shower heads and all, are taps, basins, as well as bathtubs and toilet bowls. Now, they have a complete solution for all your sanitary needs. Now, since we are at the Bava showroom, I want to take the opportunity to share with you guys how to choose the perfect basin for your vanity. Now, in front of me is actually this big wide basin that's ideal for your vanity area. But of course, depending on your space constraint, whether you have a big enough space or not all bathrooms are suitable to have a big one. Now, in the event that you do have that space and you want to go for a big one, it's ideal because it's always good to have a big receptacle so that you can collect the water that may gather in your hands and your arms as well. So the bigger the receptacle, the better it is. Also, more importantly, you want to test the thickness when you knock into it. Now, the good European brands like Bava actually fires their porcelain in 1250 degrees Celsius. Now, this is ideal because that's when the clay and the ceramic totally dries. And when it totally dries, you will not have an issue of hairline crack that will appear over time. And remember, only the big European brands can do that. Now, other than the form factor, you want to make sure that you choose a basin that has a nice curvature on the inside of the basin. This is very important, especially when you're doing your gargling or when you're doing your washing with cleansers and soaps, right? They will stain. Now, if it's a flat surface, some of the basins are actually, 90 degrees and flat. Now, that means that the water does not flow very well, and over time, are left unattended, those would remain as stains and pondings, right? Which over time becomes very hard to clean and maintain. So always choose a basin that comes with a nice curvature to basically eradicate the need for high maintenance.